Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Mr.TaIksy channel. I'm Emma, and I'm so happy you're here with us today. This channel is all about learning English in a fun, simple, and friendly way. Today, I'm here with my good friend John. How are you doing, John?
Hey, Emma. Hey, everyone watching. I'm doing good. Well, actually, I'm doing better now. My morning today was, let's say, a little crazy.
Oh no, another one of your crazy mornings? What happened this time?
Emma, I swear, sometimes I think my life is just one long bad day. But funny, very funny. You know, the kind of day that feels bad, but becomes a good story later.
Those are the best days for our English lessons. Today's topic is actually perfect for that. We're talking about bad days and funny mistakes in English, something we all experience.
Oh yeah, I have like a million stories. Which one do you want first? The embarrassing one or the super embarrassing one?
Let's warm up slowly. Tell me how your morning started today.
Okay, so I woke up late, like really late. My alarm didn't ring because I forgot to charge my phone last night.
Classic.
I jumped out of bed, ran to the bathroom, and brushed my teeth so fast I almost brushed my nose. And then, I made coffee, but I forgot to put the cup under the coffee machine.
No! The coffee went everywhere?
Everywhere. On the counter, on the floor, on my socks. I was standing in a coffee puddle at 7:30 in the morning.
You know, you really should not be allowed to use machines before 9 a.m.
I agree, but the funny thing is, that's not the worst part.
How is that not the worst part?
Well, I had a Zoom call, a very important one. I thought I looked fine, but later I saw myself in the recording and realized I had toothpaste on my shirt the whole time.
Oh my God, John! People probably thought it was some new fashion trend.
Toothpaste chic.
Minty fresh style.
Exactly.
You know, watching other people have bad days is very comforting.
Yeah, and I think a lot of our viewers know this feeling too. Nobody has a perfect day every day.
Exactly. And honestly, bad days make great stories. They also help you learn English because you remember the moments so clearly.
So true. If something embarrassing happens to you in English, you never forget the vocabulary from that day.
That is very true.
Okay, your turn. Tell me a time you made a funny English mistake.
Ugh, do I have to?
Yes, for education, for learning, for science.
Fine. Okay, here it is. So a few years ago, I was traveling, right? And I went to a restaurant. I wanted to order a bowl of soup, but I was tired. My brain was not working. So instead of saying soup, I accidentally said,
Oh no, what did you say?
I would like a bowl of soap, please.
Soap? You asked the waiter for a bowl of soap?
Yes, and the waiter looked at me like, Ma'am, are you okay?
What did you do?
I turned bright red, waved my hands, and said, No, 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 not soap. Soup, soup, the one you eat.
Imagine if he brought you a bowl of soap with a spoon.
Stop. It was so embarrassing.
But look, now thousands of people watching this video are going to learn the difference between soap and soup.
True. So maybe my pain has a purpose.
You know, making mistakes in English is normal. Everyone does it.
Absolutely. Native speakers make mistakes too.
Yesterday I said, I goed to the store, like a 3-year-old.
Why did you say goad?
I was tired. My brain turned off.
Honestly, English is weird. The past tense rules, half of them make no sense.
Right? Go, went. See, saw. Eat, ate. sleep, slept. But then, read, read, but spelled the same. Why?
English. Surprise! I make no sense.
Exactly.
To everyone watching, if you ever feel embarrassed about your English, don't. We all make mistakes. We forget words, we say things wrong, and sometimes we accidentally order soap instead of soup.
And that's okay. That's how you learn. Mistakes are your friends.
Yes, mistakes are part of the learning journey. If you never make mistakes, you never grow.
Plus, your mistakes make great stories.
Okay, John, tell us your most embarrassing English moment.
All right, here it is. So, years ago, I was at a job interview. Very important. Very serious.
Oh gosh.
And the interviewer asked me a simple question. So, John, tell me about yourself.
Easy question.
Yeah, but I was nervous. My hands were shaking. My brain was melting. And instead of saying, I am very organized, I said,
What?
I am very organic.
Organic? Like a vegetable?
Yes, like broccoli. I basically told him, Hi, I am John. I am a vegetable.
Oh my God. What did the interviewer say?
He smiled, and he said, Well, that's good, I guess.
Imagine walking into a job interview and saying, I am fresh, I am healthy, I am 100% natural.
And the worst part? I didn't even get the job.
I wonder why. But honestly, these moments are funny now. Back then, they felt terrible. But today, we can laugh.
Yeah, bad days don't stay bad forever. Sometimes they become good memories.
And learning English is like that. You make mistakes, you laugh, you learn, and you move on.
Exactly. If you're watching this, don't be scared of speaking. Don't be scared of sounding funny. It's part of the process.
And you're not alone. We're all learning together.
You know, Emma, I really wish I understood this earlier in my life. For so many years, I was scared to speak a new language. Scared people would laugh. Scared I would sound stupid. But now, I realize people don't care as much as we think. Most people are kind. Most people just want to communicate.
Exactly. People don't judge as much as our minds tell us. When someone tries to speak English, even with mistakes, it shows courage, it shows effort, it shows heart. And honestly, that is more beautiful than perfect grammar.
Yeah. And sometimes the mistakes make the conversation even more fun.
Oh, yes. Like the time my student said, I love eating my family on Sundays. He wanted to say family meals, but I knew what he meant.
Oh no. Imagine someone saying that at a party.
Right? But we all laughed together. We corrected it. And now he never forgets the difference.
That's the beauty of learning. You don't become better from perfect days. You become better from mistakes.
So true. And I think that's why we love making these videos, because we want everyone watching to feel comfortable, relaxed, and confident.
And not feel alone. You're not the only one making mistakes. We all do. Every single day.
Yes. And honestly, that's why we call this the Mr.TaIksy channel, because we want you to talk, to speak, to express yourself, to feel free.
And to feel like you're sitting right here with us, talking as friends.
Exactly. We're not teachers and students. We're a little family of English learners, supporting each other.
So, if you had a bad English day today, it's okay.
If you said something funny or wrong, it's okay.
If people laughed, Maybe it was a good thing. Maybe you made someone's day brighter.
And maybe tomorrow you'll say it right, and it will feel amazing.
Yes, that feeling. When something finally makes sense. It's one of the best feelings in the world.
Especially in language learning, it's like a little win, a small victory, a moment that says, see, you can do this.
You just have to keep going.
Thank you for watching today's lesson on the Mr.TaIksy channel. We hope our stories made you smile and reminded you that mistakes are normal.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and don't worry about bad days. They happen to all of us.
I'm Emma.
And I'm John.
We'll see you in the next video. Bye!
And remember, no ordering soap at a restaurant.